Hi friends, if you've ever wanted to make your Android phone feel more personal, setting a live wallpaper is one of the easiest ways to do it. In this guide, I'll show you how to set a live wallpaper on your Android phone using a video from your Samsung gallery. The process only takes a minute and you don't need to install any extra apps. Start by opening the Samsung Gallery app and finding the video you'd like to use as your live wallpaper. Choose a short, high-quality video for the best results. Once you've opened the video, tap the More Options icon, the three vertical dots, located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Set as Wallpaper. If your video is longer than the allowed limit, Samsung will ask you to trim it. Tap the Trim at the Edit icon, which looks like a pair of scissors, and shorten the video to 15 seconds or less. Pick the most interesting part of the clip, so your wallpaper looks great every time you wake your phone. After trimming, tap Done, then confirm your selection by tapping Apply to finish setting the live wallpaper. In just a few moments, your chosen video will become your new lock screen wallpaper, giving your device a fresh and dynamic look. Keep in mind that live wallpapers may use slightly more battery than a static image, especially if you unlock your phone frequently. However, on most modern Samsung devices, the impact is minimal. That's it. Have fun personalizing your Android phone with your favorite video wallpaper.